Hi Year 3, it's Mrs. Silverthorne here with Maths for Thursday the 11th of February. Let's jump straight in today with a bit of subtraction. We did a lot of this last week, so what I'd like you to do is to work through each of these calculations using the sandwich method. So pause your video here and give these a go. Okay, how did you get on? If you want to, you can tick through each individual section, or you can just look at the answers. Either way, have a little think and think about how you got on. If you made any mistakes, don't worry. Just think about actually where was the time when actually I made a mistake. So pause the video here and think about how you got on with these calculations. Okay, so for our main maths today, we're thinking about how I can add up pounds and pence. So on this part of my part whole model, I've got £2 and 45 pence. On this part of my part whole model, I've got £5 and 5 pence. So how do we know what we have in total? So let's have a little think about what we've got here. The first thing I want to do is think about the pound coins. I want to add up the pounds first. So when I'm looking at the pounds, I can see I've got £2 and £5. So straight away, that tells me 5 add 2, that's going to give me somewhere around £7. There we go. And then I want to think about the pence. So I'm going to do those separately. Here I know I've got 45 pence because it's already there. It tells me I've got 45 pence already. And then I've got 5 pence extra there. So I know that 45, add 5, it's in my 5 times table, will equal 50 pence. And then let's see, were we correct? Yes, we were. One of the things that we can do when we are calculating in pounds and pence is to separate them because it makes it a lot easier than when we want to put them all together. So let's have a little look at what we've got here. Whitney buys some apples, pears and bananas. How much does Whitney spend in total? So I'm going to use a number line here, and like I did before, I want to think about the pounds that I've got first. So let's deal with the pounds. At the moment, it's saying £1 and 25 pence for the apples, £1 and 30 pence for the pears, and £1 and 40 pence for the bananas. So that's 3 whole pounds that I've got to begin with. So 1, 2, and 3. So I can say add £1 here. I think I'm actually going to use my cursor here because then I can do a pound sign really quickly. So £1, pound, and £1 will make £3. Okay, and then I can look at the pence. So let's have a little look and see what I've got here. So I've got 25 pence. So £3 plus 25 pence is going to give me, I'm going to use my cursor again, plus 25 pence is going to make £3.25. So £3 and 25 pence. But then I want to add on 30 pence. So this is where I need to be careful. So I need to be thinking about changing just the tens. So I'm going to change the tens of my £3.25. So here we go. I've got £3.25, add 10 pence. So £3.35. Add another 10. So £3.45. And then one more 10 makes £3.55. I'm going to use my cursor to put my 30 pence in there. There we go. And then I just need to do the 40 pence at the end. There we go. So I'd already worked this lot out, so that's really helpful. And my last one, so jump to the end, and this one is plus 40 pence. So 55 pence plus 40 pence. So let's work that out. So 55, I want to add on 4 10. So 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So that gives me an answer there of £3. Oh, I didn't do the £3 and 95 pence. Okay, so altogether, Whitney has spent £3 and 95 pence. There we go. And then, like we did last lesson, we just separate the pounds and the pence with it, then it's really easy to understand what she's got. Let's have a little look at this question. A book cost £5.99 and a magazine cost £1.75. What would be the total cost of the book and the magazine? What I'd like you to do here is to use the number line and pause here. Try and add up the pounds first and then work out the pence. See how you get on. Okay, let's give it a go. So straight away, I'm starting with 0 because I want to know what my total cost is. So I'm going to look at the pounds first. I've got £5 and I've got £1. So let's do the whole pounds first. So a big jump here of £5. So 0 plus £5. There we go. It's going to give me £5. I'm going to draw another jump of just £1 this time. So I'm going to go small. There we go. Okay, so altogether £5 plus £1 is going to give me £6. But then I need to worry about, I've got 99 pence and 75 pence to add on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about being efficient. Now 99 pence is very close to one whole pound because I know that it takes 100 pence to make £1. So I'm actually going to be slightly cheeky here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add on another £1 and then I'm going to continue with the rest of the calculation, but I'm going to keep in mind that I will need to subtract a penny to make sure I've only added on 99 pence instead of £1. I want to be really, really clear about that. So here at the moment then, I've made £6, and then with that extra £1, I have now made £7. And then I want to add on, not 75 pence, I could just add on 75. I'm going to think about actually, well, I needed to take away 1 penny because beforehand I needed to add on 99 pence, but because it was so close to £1, I may as well have only added on £1. So instead of adding on 75 pence, I'm actually going to take 1 pence away because that's what I would have needed to do for the 99 pence and make it 74 pence. So let's give this a go. So I've got £5, add £1, add £1, and here I'm going to add on 74 pence. So £7 plus, there we go, 74 pence. And I know that that will make for me £7 and 74 pence. How did you get on? I wonder if you did it the same way or if you did it a slightly different way. Okay, so for today, I'd like you to have a go at these problems with your silver task. So have a little look at these calculations and adding up the money and see if you can find the answers. Pause the video here and give it a go. Okay, here's the answer. So how did you get on? Have a little tick through of the ones that you got correct. If you made any mistakes, please don't worry. This is how we learn. If you want to have a go at the gold task, let's give that a go. Okay, so for the gold task today, I thought we would include some bar models. So when we did our addition revision, what we need to be thinking about on this one, for example, is £2.99 plus £3.40 to work out our missing number at the top. And it is the same for this one here. So pause the video and give these a go. Okay, how did you get on? Have a little look. See what you got right. If there's any that you didn't get right, please don't worry. That is definitely how we learn. We learn from our mistakes and we move forward. If you want to give the platinum a go, let's move on. Okay, so what I'd like you to do for platinum is to perhaps go onto the Tesco or Asda or Morrison's website, and I'd like you to create a shopping list and add up the amount. I've put 5 things on here that you would like to that you could add up, or you might decide to choose some things of your own. And what I would like you to do is to add up the amounts and then compare them with how they come out on the Tesco or Asda or Morrison's website. So pause the video here and have a little look and see how you get on. Okay, so your answer to this one will all depend on what you decide to buy. So you may have decided that this week you needed to buy lots of biscuits. So your adult can help you to add up what you decided to buy. So have a little look through your shopping trolley and see what you decided to add up. Pause the video here and then add them all up and see what you came up with. How much money did you spend? This is the end of our maths video for today. So I hope you've had a really, really good day and I'll be back for more maths tomorrow. Have a really good day. Take care.